Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2121 code? This code means the throttle, pedal position sensor, or switch D circuit is not performing within the expected range. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle may experience poor throttle response, unstable acceleration, or reduced engine performance. P2121 stands for throttle, pedal position sensor, switch D circuit range, performance. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the accelerator pedal position sensor D or throttle position signal is operating outside the normal performance range. This system monitors accelerator pedal movement and throttle position to control engine power and throttle response electronically. Common symptoms include check engine light on, delayed acceleration, rough idle, reduced engine power, hesitation during acceleration, and sometimes limp mode activation. In many cases, the vehicle may also show a reduced engine power warning on the dashboard. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The accelerator pedal position sensor is mounted near the accelerator pedal assembly inside the cabin. The throttle body and throttle position sensors are located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. The wiring harness connects these components to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, moisture, and vibration. For quick diagnosis, start by checking throttle and pedal position sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the pedal sensor connector and throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for unstable voltage signals, damaged wiring, or poor grounding in the sensor circuit. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup that may affect throttle movement. If the sensor signal remains outside the expected range, the accelerator pedal sensor or throttle body assembly may need replacement. Finally, repair any wiring issues, clean the throttle body if required, replace faulty sensors or components if necessary, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2121 on time will restore proper throttle response, smooth acceleration, and reliable engine performance.